How's it going, guys? In this video I will be showing you how to replace a headlamp bulb and a park light bulb in a Nissan Note. If you look here, this is the left side and the dip beam is working, and if you come to the right side here, the dip beam and the main beam is all this one, and then the park light is this one here. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace those two. We come up the back here, just shine a light. So if you see just in here, this is the 3-pin holder. It's a H4 bulb that goes in behind this, and this connector just needs to be pushed in and pulled back. Once you have that out, you take this rubber surround off here, and that allows access to the headlamp bulb. For the park light bulb, it's just up here. It's pretty straightforward. See this holder here? You catch a hold of either side of the clips and you turn it anti-clockwise. So just like this, turn anti-clockwise, pull back, and it is a capless bulb. So we'll just replace that now. Now I've just fitted the new bulb to that. And now that's back in. That's the connector now pulled back, and then we just pull this off. So now that's out. Leave that to the side, and then I'll just give you a view in the back here. So if you can see there, that is the retaining clip here. You need to push that down and move it to the right. So I'm just using a 90-degree pliers to so you catch it, push it down, pull to the side, and then pull back like that, and then that leaves it in a way you can remove the bulb. So that's the bulb now removed, and this particular bulb does the high beam and the low beam on these models. So I've got the new bulb here that I'm about to fit. Make sure that you handle it at the base. You don't want to be touching it at the actual glass section itself. And this goes to the top, so see them 3 locator pins? You want to have that dead center at 12 o'clock when you're fitting it back in. So when fitting it back in, it's just straight like that, and then you get the retaining clip, push in, and remember that pulls in left, so you push down and then in left anti-clockwise that way to lock it in. So that's now seated in the position. Take your rubber protective grommet again, and you push it back onto the holder, and then you sit it down in a way that the pins are sitting out. 3-pin plug, and push it back on, and then that is done. We'll just check to see that that's working, and there you go. We now have our lights working. The park lights, dip lights, and main beams are now working on both sides. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.